Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WalletHub to monitor credit utilization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect WalletHub to monitor credit utilization, start by visiting the WalletHub website or opening the WalletHub mobile app. If you are new to WalletHub, create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. Locate the option for adding or linking credit accounts. This option may be found in your account dashboard or under Settings. Choose to add a new credit account from the list of available options. Select the type of account you want to link, such as credit cards or loans. Enter your credit account details, including the account number and any necessary personal information. Follow any verification steps required by WalletHub to ensure your identity is protected. Once your account is linked, WalletHub will begin to analyze your credit utilization. Credit utilization is the percentage of your total credit limit that you are using. WalletHub will provide insights into your current credit utilization ratio. Monitor your credit utilization through the WalletHub dashboard regularly. WalletHub will also send you notifications regarding changes in your credit utilization. This will help you stay informed and make necessary adjustments to improve your credit score. Review your credit usage periodically to maintain a healthy credit profile. Consider setting alerts for when your credit utilization exceeds a certain threshold. These steps will help you effectively connect WalletHub to monitor and manage your credit utilization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.